Hey ladies and gentlemen, so I'm trying to fix this. No hot water with this Lochinvar. So the heat is on, the heat side is on, and there are no error codes, but the hot water doesn't come on. So I'm thinking it's this diverter actuator valve. So we're gonna try to replace that and then try to flush it. So in order to do that, we have to isolate the cold water and the hot water. Alright, so that's the hot water. So we need to drain this. Alright, so I tried troubleshooting the boiler and so I installed a new diverter valve, but that didn't do it. So now I'm going to the store to get the another little, it's like a sensor that sends a signal to the board to activate the flow check valve. So basically on the right side of that boiler there is that whole brass assembly that has that red kind of light bulb, and every time the hot water goes on, that light should go on, and when the light is on, the hot water is flowing. But in this situation, the light goes on, and then the hot water goes on, and then the light shuts off, and the water goes cold. So that's where I'm at now. I'm going to Lynn to get the part. And also her relief valve was leaking because I guess she said, oh, her husband tried to flush the boiler. And you know how there's so many YouTube videos and all these homeowners try to do the work themselves, but they only make it worse, you know. So I guess what they try to open the relief valve, and then once you open the relief valve, and then it starts dripping. So I gotta replace the relief valve too. So, but good thing I had the lady sign the disclaimer and authorization for me to work on her unit, and she's okay with the price. I told her to that she doesn't have to pay me until the everything's fixed. But she said that she doesn't mind paying as long as it's fixed. So yeah, so I'm going to get the part, and then when I get back, I'll let you know if that fixed the issue. All right, so this is what was wrong with it. So basically, it just got super dirty because it's never been serviced. So we had to, there's a filter here. You unscrew the filter. So we installed a new diverter motor. We unscrewed this filter, cleaned it out. It was all plugged up with calcium. Then we replaced this little sensor, this red sensor. And we had to carefully unscrew this valve, this, I forget what it's called, but it's this valve right here. See, apparently it wasn't doing its work because it's all either plugged up or corroded. So we had to carefully unscrew it, and luckily for me it came out, because the guy at the store told me that another plumber tried to unscrew this valve and it just snapped in half, and then basically people got stuck. You had to replace this whole brass assembly. But luckily for me, I was able to remove that. I cleaned the filter, and now this red, when it's cold hot water, the red sensor turns red, the light goes red, and that means the hot water is on. So now I'm gonna descale this boiler too, because it's never been descaled. So I'm gonna use my pony pump and the special solution to descale it. Oh, and also I'm gonna install a new relief valve, because see, it's dripping. All right, so everything's working now, but it was very, the boiler was very clogged up with calcium, the heat exchanger plate. So what we told the lady that she needs done, we use this Haymaker tankless water heater descaler, and basically connected the hoses, one to hot, one to cold, and then connected to this pump. And now we're gonna leave the pump running for like 20 minutes and have it everything flushed out. So yeah, some people use vinegar, but I don't recommend, because it's better off just spending a little money, but it removes the scaling much better and faster. So yeah guys, other than that, the thing is working, and I'm happy. So I just gotta wait 20 minutes and then shut it off. So guys, check it out how dirty that water is. Guys, the hot water's gone. Hot water now. The red light is on. 112, 116, 117, 19. So it's pumping hot water. So that's how you fix the Lochinvar Combi boiler. So thank you for watching. Happy New Year's. And if you need a plumber north of Boston, please give us a call at 781-558-4680, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.